Hey guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the font size on your keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So do a swipe up and click on settings, find general management from the list there, tap on that. Now from here you want to click on the Samsung keyboard settings, scroll all the way down to where you find font size, and from here you will see that you have the font size bar there that you can toggle to the left or the right to change the font size from your keyboard. So if I pull it to the left, you can see that the letter on my keys get smaller. And if I bring it to the right, look, it get bigger and bigger and bigger. And have a look at that. That's how you can easily go ahead and increase or decrease the font size on your keyboard. Keep in mind that this goes only to a certain limit. You cannot make it more than what is required. Otherwise, it will not look good and it will just be out of the ordinary. There is just a limit that you can go to the left or to the right with those sizing, but of course you can decide if you want it larger or if you want it smaller, whichever option you find. Really hope you found this useful, and if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, guys, so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.